Hello students, today we are going to solve linear equation with mixed fractions. Let's begin. X plus, suppose this is the question, x plus 2, 1 is to 3 is equals to 5. This is a linear equation wherein we have a mixed fraction. Always convert mixed fractions into improper fraction. Alright students. Now please watch my earlier video. I have already shown you how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now I'll rewrite the question. X plus 2 1 by 3 is equals to 5. X plus, generally whenever we convert we have to multiply these two digits, that is 2 and 3, okay, together. 2 into 3 plus 1 divide by 3 is equals to 5. If you have any doubts in converting mixed fraction into improper, kindly see my earlier video. X plus 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1 divide by 3 is equals to 5. X plus 7 upon 3 is equals to 5. Always remember, whenever we are solving this number, I had told you one thing is that we can take this number on the other side. Okay, always remember that we should keep the numbers together and x on one side. So what I'm doing is x is equals to 5 minus 7 by 3. Now how did plus 7 by 3 become minus 7 by 3? Always remember, in an equation, this is the equal to sign is very important. Whenever a number is going from one side to another side, it will always, the sign of the number will change. If it is positive, it will become negative. If it is negative here, it will become positive here. Alright, so this is a simple rule. I'll generally give an example of is equal to sign. I generally say that whenever you are at a border of a country, obviously there are a lot of restrictions when you cross the border. So remember that whenever you're crossing the equal to sign, you're going to the other side, whatever the sign is there of the number will change. Okay. Now is x is equals to. Now what we have to do is we have to do LCM, because this is one fraction, this is a whole number. So 3 LCM I am taking because here it is 1. 5 into 3 is 15 minus 7. X is equals to 15 minus 7 is 8 by 3. Now since this is improper fraction, isn't it? So what we can do is we can convert it into mixed fraction. How do we do this? I'll divide it and show. 3 2s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 2s are 6. What will I get? The 2. And this, how do we convert it into mixed fraction? X is equals to 2 by 3. Okay. This is what is the answer.